Hello, my people, and welcome. My name is Instructor Allison. Immediately I see this question, I know say some people go waste time for this thing for UTME. Me, I don't want to make you waste time. I make a to come teach you. So definitely, if you allow you, make you use calculator. If they allow me use calculator, see two things I want make you do. The first one be say check all the option first. You go see all of them they get the same pattern two times, two times, two times, two times. You're going to say answer go dey within this particular one. So first use calculator divide 1.28 divided by 6.4. If you divide am, most likely wetin you fit get go be 0.2. Carry calculator check. Na me and you dey do something, you dey watch video, you no carry calculator near you. Now I go remove person thing too. Now say you dey do something, but I hope say you dey enjoy the video. Now wetin you go get be this 0.2. You don confirm am abi? Talk now. You don confirm am? Oya wait now, dey wait. Carry calculator. Use your phone now, use any means. Confirm that thing first, make we continue. Na 0.2. Okay. Oh yeah, now make we continue. So now this one now we go divide. You know, say you divide this one by this particular one, you go still do the same thing. Divide this one by this one. How I want to take do am? So just say times 10 to the power of 4 divided. If you use this division like this, divided by 10 to the power of 2, or if you use this other kind of division, anyone go work. Now what you want to do now? Make you do am straight like that. So write this one first. 0.2 times. They get one law wey they call quotient law for indices. You remember that law? That law say anytime we say you see something wey resemble, we get the same base, like a to the power of m divided by a to the power of n. Even though you want to put the division like this one, make I do it like this because some of them now, if you no resemble exactly what they show you, go be like saying a different thing what they do. Divided by a to the power of n. And you see say this one not resemble this one. The base AA 10. When the base they come on, take one of them, the power, you go subtract m, you go subtract n from m like this. Because why? It dey divide. What if they multiply? Put that for comment section. What you go do? Put that, if you study law of indices, put that for what if they multiply these two things together? This a to the power of m times a to the power of n. What you go do for this top here? Correct. If you say correct, put that for comment section. I go lie for you. So because of that now, since the base they the same, you go put 10 here. Then what you can happen? Might change the ink, I beg, make it in rhyme with that they do, no vex. So what you can happen? Immediately you just take the common base, will be 10. What you go happen to the power? You subtract, you get them. So finally you're gonna get 0.2 times 10 to the power of 2, because 4 minus 2 will give you 2. But now if you check the option, you don't get anything like 0.2. Now that way while I can they begin they come on. So if I be you now, at this point now, I go move this decimal point come front. If you move am only one, anytime we move decimal point, or alternatively, since now only 1 0 way there, just say convert this one to standard form. This one at decimal. Convert them to standard form become 2 times 10 to the power of minus 1. Why be minus 1? Because only 1 0 there. If now 0.02, it will be minus 2. 2 times 10 to the power of minus 2. If na 0.002, it will be, because na 30, it will be minus 3. Why be minus? Because na the left side where they carry, well, from this side now they carry the come front. But if all these zeros na dey for front like this, it will be a positive number. If na 30 dey for front, it will be positive 3. If na only 1 0, it will be positive 1. I hope they get these things now. They try break them down, make you understand. Because why? They feel no repeat exactly this question, but they will bring this format of question and this thing, this style of indices pattern. Now you go carry runner. I go lie for you. So now you understand what I do now. I convert this decimal to standard because everything here is standard form. So how I want to do it? If I move decimal point one time, it will become minus 1. So now make I do this one like this. Remember, I said this guy is CDO, so times 10 to the power of 2. You know that question I will ask you, say, if you get something like a to the power of m times a to the power of n, what you go do to this power? Some of them talk in addition. I believe say what you talk. If you talk that thing, it correct. So that means here now I can't take one of these 10, we common, and add minus 1 plus 2. Anything with minus 1 plus 2 give you, now be the correct one. Everybody, wait till the answer. Some of them I know sabi this kind of thing. Wait till be minus 1 plus 2. Open my tell me oh. Yes, you correct. Minus 1 plus 2 now 1. Because just like the same thing as 2 minus 1 now 1. So if you see this thing for the option, now be the best one. Or option D be correct. Now so you no go waste time for post-UTME question. Arrange class day for Telegram. try sign up, check the comments, you go see the link to carry you to my WhatsApp and Telegram, so that from there, if you join our WhatsApp, get other information on how you go take register for the UTME class, because you no go wan fail this thing, no. And if you get any school where you dey, where you apply, put am for comment section, make we begin dey solve question from your own school. You dey hear me? This one na from UI. Wetin be the meaning of this university UI? Put am for comment section. Na there where this question come from. I go fit bring for your own school if you put am for comment section. I hope you don learn from this particular video. If you never hit the subscribe button, hit the subscribe button. Why you go hit am? Because if I post new video, you no go receive notification until you subscribe and turn on that thing wey be like bell icon, select all. Anytime I upload, na you be the first person wey go receive. But if you no share this particular video, give your friends for group chat, make dem come follow, come dey learn from my page. You no be a better person, but I know say you be a better person, so I know say you go share am. Abeg hit that like button and share this particular video, and drop the comment for wetin I tell you say make you do, so that we fit do another video for you. Until next time, I go see you for the next one. If you need for physics and chemistry, to tell me, I go run you the path. No carry this thing play standard form. E dey come well for UTME because they wan test your ability. Me, I don comot to, I go bring another one for you if you share this video.